Hey everyone, welcome back to Papa's Workshop. Today I'm going to be adding one more layer of security to my home. Most of you know, if you've been following my channel for a while, I believe in having a security in the home. From having a whole house alarm system to being able to have the doors secured with the door blockers that I recently put on, and I also have a camera system around the entire house. Well, one of the things that is not really protected are the windows. Now, granted, the whole house alarm does include the window protection. Now, on the whole house alarm, there are sensors on the window. But that sensor, you have to actually open the window for that sensor to go off. And that, to me, is not good enough. Now, what I've done is actually purchased a set of 4 of these. Now, this is the Eva Logik. Now, this is the glass break alarm. It'll also go off with a vibration before that glass is actually broken. Now, what this provides is an extra layer of security in the sense that the window doesn't have to get broken. If it's just beat on, this alarm is going to go off and alert me. Now, this has, according to the advertisements, 120 decibels, and we're going to test that in a moment. Now, in addition, you're going to need 2 AAA batteries to be able to put into this. Now, I definitely believe in having signs, and this one has a little sign that's going to be put on to this. And all we're going to do is just peel off the plastic. Now, on this little sticker, I'm going to peel off the back of this, just like that. And then I'm going to put this onto the back. Now, this is the part that faces the window itself. Now, you only get one shot at this, so I want to be able to put that on where it's nice and straight. Yeah, that looks good. So I'm going to stick that on really, really good. Now then, it has another layer of film. When I peel this off, this will allow me to stick it to the window. Now, the nice thing about this alarm, it has this little light right here, and it flashes every 4 seconds. Again, that helps to alert people that if you're thinking about breaking into the window, that there's an alarm and you have the sign. And I want to get up close. You have 2 settings. You have the off, you have a minus and a plus. When you turn that on to the plus, that's going to give you the highest sensitivity level. Sometimes if you get on a false alarm, you can change the sensitivity down to this minus sign, and that's a low sensitivity level. It'll still go off if somebody tampers with the window. Now on this side, I'm going to open this up, and this is where you'll put the batteries in. I'm going to grab 2 AAA batteries and put them in. Okay, I've got the batteries installed. I'll just slip back on the cover, and I'm ready to install this. Now, the nice thing about this, it has this little light up here that goes off every 4 seconds, and that's the warning to be able to say that there's a security system. But it also has a low battery sensor. So if the battery gets low, then this is going to be a rapid flashing of the light to let you know that it's time to change the batteries. Okay, at this point, you can see the decibels in the room. And most of this is me talking. If I stop talking, the decibels are going to go very low. So now I want to turn this on, and we're going to tap it and activate the alarm and see what the decibels actually are. So that's a little bit lower than what's advertised being 120 decibels. But still in all, 101 decibels is plenty loud to be able to hear throughout the house and alert you to the fact that someone's trying to break into the window. So I'm going to go ahead and install these now on all of the different windows that I want to be able to have protected. And I'm going to show you. It's just real easy installation. This little film is going to be able to be peeled off, and I'll just literally stick it to the window. Before I go to the actual windows to do the installation, I want to set up the other 3 monitors. I'm going to put the batteries in. I'm going to put the sticker on so I have that warning label. And I'm also going to test out each of these alarms just to make sure that everything is working before I install them. The only downside that I see to these alarms are the batteries. Being that you have a AAA batteries that you have to be able to put in, and of course you're going to have to change them periodically. But I think that's a small price to pay considering the level of security that you're going to get with this alarm system. After testing each one of these, the decibel level actually varied just a little bit. Now I did test all 4 of these different alarms to see just how loud they were, and that first one was 101, another one was as high as 105, but still they did not reach that 120 decibel level. But still in all, plenty loud. Without using the earmuffs, it definitely hurt the ears, and that's not a good thing when you're up close to them. So if you want to test out the alarm and how loud they are, well, grab a pair of earmuffs first to be able to protect your ears. It will definitely alert you in the house. And while I was setting up and putting the batteries in, I just set one of these on the table, and that was enough vibration to set off the alarm. And that was a little bit of a surprise. So the sensitivity is very good with these. So now it's time to go in and install them. So now I'm going to take this second layer of the film off, just like that. And then I'm going to mount this right here on the window, right in the center, right there. Push it on, and we're going to activate it. We'll turn it on, and you'll see the light begin to blink. And that's just how easy the installation is. That's not bad at all. I just barely hit the window and the alarm activated. I want to remind everybody that when I set off the alarms, I actually turned the volume way down so it would not hurt your ears on your end, because these are quite loud and there's a very piercing noise that definitely affects the ears. Now, this is not a sponsored video. I did a lot of research and I found these on Amazon, and I will put a link in the description below should you want to take a look and see if this would be the right fit for your home. So thanks a lot for watching this video. And if you found some useful information in this, please give me a thumbs up, and don't forget, hit that little subscribe button down there. It really does help out the channel a lot, and it doesn't cost a single thing, but it does help to support the channel and to get this message out to more and more people. So for now, I look forward to seeing each and every one of you in the next video. And by the way, take a look at the video that I have up here and see if that will help you out also in your shop. So for now, bye-bye everyone. See you real soon in the next video, whatever that may be.